Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My name is Nasah Amin and I am from Group 2. Today I'm going to talk about slope failure. On the screen is the name and matric number of our group members. Without any further delay, let's move to our presentation. This is our table of contents. Introduction. What is slope failure? Slope failure is a serious geologic hazard in many countries in the world, including Malaysia. In this country, most cases of the tragedies involve a hillside areas and cause of deaths, injuries, and property damage. These are factors of slope failure. Methodology. Determine the stability of the slope using the ratio between the available shear strength and the acting shear stress. Collect the geological data and environmental features, soil, rock mass properties, slope geometry, hydraulic properties, etc. Kinematic analysis, and it consists of three parts. Kinematic analysis looks at the various types of failure that might arise in a rock mass. Limit equilibrium methods inspect the equilibriums of a subsoil that is gravitationally inclined to fall. The travel patterns and oscillations of unstable fragments removed from a rock slope face are determined via rockfall simulators. In this photo, Terezaki's concept of shear strength is the most widely used variant, which maintains that the shear strength is then equal to the sum of the normal stress, sigma, and cohesion C. The travel patterns and oscillations are determined via rockfall simulators. Two restoration factors are required for calculation, and they are dependent on fragmentation shape, slope roughness, velocity, and deformational qualities, as well as likelihood of particular situations in a specific encounter. Case study. For example, a case study in Malaysia utilizes erosion-induced slope failure to categorize a slope hazard at SG. Riol, Cameron Highland, and Hidayah Madrasa At-Taqwa Orphanage, Hilo Walangat, since both locations are experiencing the slope failure in 2011. Results and discussions. Rome scale and Rose index are both used in slope failure, as we can also see in the case study. Arom equation is shown in the slide. There is four types of things are important in the result of the slope failure, which are slope characteristics, erosion and rainfall characteristics, structures characteristics, percentage of slope hazard parameters. Conclusion. To sum up, slope failure is one of the most dangerous geohazards that can either be found above or below ground, which affecting structures due to several factors. Finally, we can conclude that how this catastrophe can be determined and solved either before the construction process or later. So that's all for this presentation, and thank you for your listening and your attention.